Do you remember IKEA Stockholm collection? It's one of IKEA's most beloved series, and for good reason. This is high-quality Scandinavian design, made accessible, timeless pieces, solid materials, thoughtful details, and for its 40th anniversary, they've launched nearly 100 new additions, from furniture to lights to textiles and accessories. Let's walk through some of my favorite pieces and a few I would definitely pass on. First up, these moon-shaped dining chairs, built from solid oak and bent by hand. The seat is genuine leather, soft and just squishy enough, and it will age beautifully if you treat it once a year with leather cream and avoid direct sun. Faux leather, on the other hand, usually peels within 2 to 3 years, no matter how careful you are. This chair also makes a gorgeous accent piece, but really shines when paired with the round table. And here's an IKEA quick tip. If you check the description of the product on their website and you see quality tested, it's a sign of durability. Not all products have it. It has a beautiful oak veneer and it comes also in an oval shape that seats 6 to 8 people. The rounded shape makes it easy to move around, so works especially well in tighter dining spaces. Plus, IKEA uses their clever wedge dowel system, meaning it's very easy to install. The second dining chair in this collection is a square shape made from oak and rattan with a leather seat cushion. No screws, just gorgeous woodwork. The craftsmanship really stands out. One standout is this glass cabinet. Solid oak frame, glass shelves, and sliding glass doors with carved-in handle. Great for displaying decor or dinerware while keeping the dust out. And for a glass shelf, 12 kg maximum weight is pretty solid. It's paired with this new mirror, which has subtle brass fittings and an oak veneer along the edge. It comes in a large size as well. This next cabinet feels nostalgic thanks to its brass key. It's got a modern oak veneer finish, but the locking key adds a vintage charm. I was also talking to my sister recently about baby-proofing and how the previous generation managed without all the baby locks, but we forgot about the cabinets with keys. They were the norm until the 90s. Then we have an updated TV console, same Stockholm DNA as previous versions, but with sliding doors, a lighter wooden tone, and new base. I love when classics get subtle updates to fit more interiors. Let's talk lights. The chandelier caught my eye with these glass tubes instead of crystals. The brass details add warmth and it pairs beautifully with the vintage style bulb especially. My favorite though is this fabric pendant lamp, sculptural and soft. It casts a diffuse glow that's perfect for evening dinners or cozy corners. And then there are the table lamps. The shades are simple, but the travertine base gives them a design touch. Plus they have a manual switch which feels refreshingly analog. As for the printed fabric lamp in green, I've heard people call it whimsical, but personally I see camouflage. Let me know what you think. Cute or camo? Let's get into the new Stockholm sofas, because they're kind of the stars of the collection. First, this chunky modular sofa. You can build anything from a love seat to an extra long lounge setup. It keeps its puffiness thanks to springs and high resilience foam and is backed by a 25-year warranty. The removable velvet covers come in turquoise, chocolate brown, and golden beige. Poofs available to match. The second sofa is very elegant. It has a visible natural wood frame and linen cotton blend covers, again all removable. And yes, also 25-year warranty, very rare, especially for IKEA. Look at this beauty. Hand-woven wool rug, same pattern on both sides, reversible, beautiful texture. It comes also in this black and white contrast. I love the pure wool cushion covers, especially this one with brown red and also the deep green blue tones. They're soft and cozy with that subtle luxury feel. On the flip side, these patterned drapes just didn't do it for me. I even had a little moment when I was thinking they might be the ugliest curtains I've ever seen. And suddenly an IKEA employee popped behind me and asked, "Excuse me, what's your issue with the drapes?" Total mind-reading moment. I froze and just said, "Pardon?" Thankfully, another customer jumped in with an actual curtain question and saved me from what could have been the most awkward moment of the day. Probably a colleague told her to help that lady and pointed in my direction. This bench with the leather pad is really elegant, solid wood frame with top quality leather cushions, and that only gets better with age. Comes with a 10-year warranty too. Then we have a low shelving unit that doubles as a bench. The joinery and surface treatment gives it almost a handcrafted feel. Great woodwork. This one surprised me. I thought it was a bench at first, but it's a coffee table, as I see on the website. The exposed grain detailing is beautiful. Then there's a more sculptural coffee table with easy to clean surfaces, as IKEA demonstrates here. And this versatile side table serving trolley has hidden casters and some sneaky storage, practical and pretty. Lastly, a pine veneer side table that could pass as a stool, but don't sit on it. It holds just 15 kg max. This is the easy chair. I don't know why they call it that, but it's simple, relaxed and made with linen, and it has that unmistakable IKEA look. This armchair is a step up in luxury, solid oak legs, a clean profile and a 10-year warranty. It almost looks like something you'd find in a boutique hotel. Clean and simple glassware, everyday essentials that still feel special because it's blown glass. I love brass. These are perfect to keep small items organized and for adding polish to open shelving and tables. And finally, these matte black vases. This one looks like lava rock, a little dramatic, a little sculptural and very on trend. I never skip the as is section. I noticed this brand new chandelier, 18% discount because the box was a little bit dented. Stockholm 2025 might just be IKEA's most impressive refresh yet. The craftsmanship, the material choices, the longevity. It's clear they poured a lot into this anniversary collection. If you like this walkthrough, give it a like and subscribe for more honest design reviews. See you in the next one.